Happy 4th of July out there to everybody. Make sure you have a safe 4th. Try not to blow off any body parts. It's always a good idea. And the squirrels don't know it yet, but it's gonna get noisy tonight. A lot of times we worry about the animals. They don't know what's going on. So it's a scary night for all animals, all four cats, and especially the animals on the outside. A lot of these little ones, this will be the first time they experience 4th of July. I imagine it would be quite terrifying for them. So we're hoping our neighbors don't go crazy here. Last year it wasn't too bad over here. So we're hoping it kind of stays that way. But you never know. Oh. Some 4th of Julys, it seemed like a war zone. I mean, you could only imagine what the animals must be thinking. Mostly we worry about any mamas with new babies. What could happen on the 4th is sometimes the animals get so afraid that they run, and babies can get left behind. Mothers can get disoriented. So it's usually not a good day for us, especially with all the animals. And I hope nobody shoots anything up here. We haven't had a whole lot of rain, so it's pretty dry. Easy for something to catch on fire. There's a young one chasing a female. Early out here now. Just now starting to wake up and come over. Got to jump it all around. chasing going on up here? What are you guys doing up there? There's a lot of movement in the trees here, a lot of chasing going on. Must be a female in heat. Oh, big jump. Alright guys, have a happy and safe 4th of July.